Let's see how to clean interior surface of a deep freeze.
Yeah.
At first, open its outer cap, which is located in the corner of a deep freeze, and then escape the inner cap, which is located in the same corner of the deep freeze. Then clean it.
Then clean. Then pour up some water.
Then clean.
Then clean.
Look at this.
Look.
The water easily escapes.
The water is easily escaping from the hole.
From inner side to the outside.
Yeah. Clean. So, look, there's so much water. And this is so clean. But we have not yet finished it, not yet. So, look. Clean. So look, then we
Fix
the
outer cap
and the
inside the
inner cap. And we are finished. So that's 2 minutes 13 seconds. See you soon.